olwayo tugenda kwogera ku the phenomenon of child sacrifice. Police tugamba nti weewaawo cases zikendedde naye era there's still a lot of work to be done. Police ekoze omulimu gwayo naye era mukyalimu empulunguse. I don't know what they call empulunguse.
Empulunguse
mu luzungu kyeki.
Imprising.
The plungs.
But yes, mass education has been around, but we're still having a few cases of child sacrifice. Surely in this day and age, do you need to sacrifice someone to get rid of it? I'll ask you, so have you had of any case of child sacrifice lately?
Lately, of course, I've had many cases. One is start with the one for Katoka Jovi, I think you remember that.
That was famous.
Yeah. But in our village, it's not that common. It's rare to find people who sacrifice their child or their neighbors' children. It's very rare.
But you know, I'm still shocked at what pushes someone to slice ogula amawulenga batute ebintu ebitundu byecha.
Yeah. No, those are wrong beliefs abantu zebalina. Kati bagenda ku bana abasawo abaganda ne babagamba when you take someone's ear, probably you're going to get rich. Yeah, you get it. And I think the government has not done enough to ensure that these things are not done. Probably Katuka Jovi omwana bwamala n'avaayo okiraba. So it means that if you have money, you can do anything in Uganda. No one can stop you.
Then why do you think these sacrifices happen?
First of all, I as a person, I don't know what's the reason. Because I can't believe that if you sacrifice something, you are likely to get rich.
The reason is clear. People want money. So if I'm told that, if someone is told that when you do this, you get money, and he has the ways through it, which can do it, at least I go along. Ashtukiriza. After all, Jakubagara sent it. It's like Katuka Jovi's case. Bamugamba is said, find an innocent. It's time to renew. I think I know renewing a sacrifice.
Sakala encouraging child sacrifice, but ebintu bino bikola.
To me,
you know, it's that our culture that is creating this. You find that whoever is in nyumba ne gwanita abantu bagamba nyumba yesande okiraba. So kati abantu tulina mu kiri ekintu nti olino salira ennyumba okiraba. Olino salira ennyumba.
Banange okusalira kwandibaddewo. But do you have to, why don't you sacrifice a cow?
You're very right. You are very right on that situation. Now, for me,
let me tell you, wali omuntu okusala ye final ajaloza ati okusalira kati ojinta ayinza okusalira ente aliganya akayumba we kati naye omuntu yobanga alina kalina ye mentality
sala kinene
muntu aloza ki alina sala
bamanyi omusayi gw'abantu
sikwabiso
naye
siwe kiri.
Most people are possessed. Abantu balina beliefs zaabwe ze tutamanyi kale, and most especially they have been misled by witch doctors. Oli akugamba kino, of course oba olina okukikola okutuukiriza ekikola. Wagamba njagala omuto gw'omuntu yadde tagenda okuwonya omuto ogenda kukola ki ojja gunoonya paka.
If somebody tells you something, if it is loud and clear, or if it's not clear, you have to think in your mind.
Yes.
And then you focus on what you want.
These witch doctors bakikola ekyo ekintu probably okuwa akuwa obuzibu. Jjukira okufuna omuntu si kyangu, okufuna omutwe gw'omuntu si kyangu. Ayinza okulanga ebizibu by'omuleetedde bingi. Olindeko. It's very easy when you have money. Osobola ogenda ku street n'otuula akaana n'okasala omutwe. But if you don't have money ogenze, you want to become rich, okiraba agenda kwegobako using that kati ate you find all means that ofuna omutwe gw'omwana okoleki omutwalire.
Okimanyi mbone tebagaana abaana ba ku street kubanga sibe
bayagala mutabani
abayagala gwe wo mu nyumba gwava mu nyumba.
Wakimanyi ekisi kyangu kikola.
Oba ogenda wiki doctor nganze n'ogamba njagala mpanvu nga alaba kyoyagala tekijja kusoboka. Nena akutuma emimu ajabbala agamba gende kisale.
Why? Moses Binoga is is a police commissioner in the Human Traffic and Child Protection Unit. What is causing these child sacrifice cases. Wetukomawo tutunulire omuzadde okoze ekyo protecting enough fenyini. What are we doing that is attracting?
Until what punishment is good enough for people who do
Life in prison.
Child sacrifice is when a child is murdered deliberately for the purpose of removing those body parts to use them in rituals, or when a child dies as a result of some parts of his body, her body being removed for ritual purposes, but not when any dead body which is found with missing a finger, missing a foot, missing what is a sacrificed body, because sometimes there are other reasons which causes the removal of parts of the body. So I feel that the number which was presented in that report, it became a bit exaggerated because of that reason, and that's why it differs with the figures police has, because ours is after investigation, is after analyzing the real cause, what could have been the cause of the murder, and that is why we feel the figures given by the government are more accurate than those ones given by individuals. This other thing of saying people don't want to report, fear to report to police. I think sometimes, the report talks, when they talk of one individual, then they put it in the report as if it is 10 respondents who have reported that. But it is not true that people are fearing to report to police. And also, the reason why sometimes police arrest some of these relatives is that some relatives are involved in rituals. So we cannot guarantee, because you have reported, therefore you are innocent. So we investigate and clear you as time goes, as per the investigation is. What I call upon people, as that report says, let people change attitude. It is the believers, those people believe in witchcraft, who are giving markets to these people to kill our children. So let us change our attitude. We are going to mobilize the traditional healers, so that they can police themselves and remove those ones who are using those bad methods to kill our people.
Waliwo yagamba someone who was arrested as a suspect in child mutilation. Yagamba, when I wanted to get rid of bedwetting, I was given the genitalia of a young boy, which I tied around my kneecars for 2 days, and it worked for me.
Given by
No, for me, I have a belief. Whenever you believe in something, it will always work for you. Kaso wanyati bubulwe sinkano mukazi ngava waka ngenda funa sente mu kibuga oba bad luck kigenda kukolera what you believe in, what works for you. Tobola nti ne bano abagamba nti nabasa abaganda abakola kibakolera okina ne bano abagamba nti nze Katonda akolera kikukolera
abamu bakikola naye era ne batafuna ekyo kyebagala. So nze ngamba ekintu ekyo okukiziyiza ne gavumenti ekinamu omukono kubanga kyetaaga gavumenti neeteekawo etteeka nti omuntu asangiddwa mu kikolwa ekyo asobole okubanga naye bamutta abantu basobole okulabirako ekyo kyaba akoze kyebaba bamukola naye mwennyini abantu basobole okulabirako nti ekikolwa ekyo kibi newankubadde nti abantu okikkiririzaamu ti ebiriivu yo nti bwe ngenda omusawo muganda nenkola bwe nti n'atuma omuntu nja kufuna obugaga naye kati ngaffe abatabikkirizaamu era bw'okkiriza mu Katonda akukolera naye n'abo bennyini abakikola si kituufu nti kibakolera wabula agendera ku mateeka g'oli g'omusawo n'aga nti njagala kukola ki angende nsala omuntu
okutta omuntu asaddaaka omwana would that best bring out the message nti banaye naye wota ojja
omwana yagambe kyokoze munno oba omusazeeko kikyo naawe kye bakukola. Would that be a fair?
No, that's not right.
Is that even a solution?
No, it's not a solution.
Kirungi kati kiba kikendezaako abasaddaaka.
Mubanga abezza mujja kwetera bwezi.
Abaamu bajja kutya ebyakikola olw'omusawo kati we balaba ekyo taddamu kubikola abantu. Ate ng'ossa omuntu.
That's why we see that common law.
Kubanga yakutta n'agamba ne babe banankwata bajja kukola.
No, that's why we see that common law was unfair in Uganda. Okay, common law.
Wafuna parking.
Common law. This is it's the law that was used by the British long time ago, but it was unfair It meant an eye for an eye. If you take away my eye, I come and take away yours.
Yes.
So it was not fair. That's why they added on equity, common law, and what? Equity. It doesn't mean that if someone takes away your hand, you have to go and take away his hand. No, you can forgive him and move ahead. You get it? Yeah. That's what I think.
Let me give you an example. Can you forgive a person who has cut off your hands? Tell me possibly the way you can see life. Can you forgive a person who has cut off one leg and you have got a chance? They have been tied him on ropes. They say you do something on that man. What you want? You see you are lame because of that man.
Yeah, I understand it's not possible, but you can do it. You see, Jesus Christ was cut off his 2 ears, but he forgave the man. We, if you're a true Christian, you can do it. You can do it.
Abanauganda tukyalina Katonda kyetuva tulina emitima bwekityo.
But let me give you some kind of example.
Okwagala okufuna mangu.
Twagala fune za mangu mangu.
Oli bagamba genda otte oli gundi. Naye nogenda omuntu. Niko bakugamba bagenda kuwaka kade kamu.
Kati twekuumye tutyaffe because ideally some people say mbu omwana omuwumula okutu aba list taliimu
wafuna parking
ati kugambye still believes
if it's true then
culture and beliefs byetu believingiramu okiraba oli agamba nti omwana bw'omutwala omutwe ogenda kufuna okugaga kitegeera kati nakyera omwana mbubu omusala oba bw'omuwumula okutumba omusayi guba gukoze ki gutonyeku which means bw'aba tali oba emisamba gizo obutamukkiriza okiraba. So that's the beliefs that we are having in our minds and they were created by our old what? The grandees who were there. So we are still following these things. That's why we need to abolish these things to be faithful. We come back to Christ. Okiraba, yeah? Yeah.
Parliament eno okola ekinene okiraba kati first of all tewali mateeka kugamba ge balina okugoberera omuntu wa sacrificing omwana balina okumukolera ki. It's still a debate. Police ne bwekwata omuntu emutwala nga suspect nga teyina kyesobola mukolera okiraba. So it becomes hard to protect ekintu ekyo. So kati parliament erina okukola kinene nnyo okulaba nti ekintu ekyo kituuseko bwe kirina kutuuka.
Well, tujja kuzza omulama guno but parents please watch out. Batugamba nti omwana omuwumula okutu oyinza omuprotecting emisamba tegikkiriza
do everything you can to protect your child.
Yes.
Imagine circumcision right now, it's free.
Circumcision
do everything you can to protect your child.
abakozi betuba nabo, let us watch out for this.